At midnight sharp, when the world's asleep, and dreams begin their secret sweep, up in the sky so calm and cool, Mr. Moon opens his nighttime school. He rings his bell with a golden ray. Come little stars, it's time to play. Bring your notebooks, bring your shine. We'll learn new things in a moonbeam line. The stars all giggle and form a row, each one twinkling with a glow. They learn to write in loops and swirls, and count in ones and tens and twirls. The clouds floating, big and slow. Can we learn how rainbows grow? Mr. Moon smiles, of course you may. Today we'll paint the Milky Way. The breeze reads poems soft and light. The owls recite them every night. The trees sway gently to each beat, while fireflies blink and tap their feet. Then comes the comet, fast and wild. Oops, I'm late, he said and smiled. He zooms around with books in hand, learning shapes and starry sand. But soon the sky turns baby blue, and Mr. Moon must bid adieu. Pack up your dreams, my starlit crew. The sun is here, the class is through. The stars all whisper, thank you, moon. We'll come again tomorrow soon. And as the morning birds begin to call, the moon fades gently, books